Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil via Trading Capital Markets. We are the 6th of June, 2025, and we're currently 9:29 a.m. 1 minute and 9:30 a.m. Market open right now. Let's see how we react. Okay, market open has us pushing up. I like how I broke above this buy side. Take this off, take this off. Possibly use these over here as entries. This is an inversion. If we come back down into it, and this too. So we have a double whammy. Double whammy right here. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Do you hear me all right? Great. Let's see. Broke above these highs over here. Still didn't tap back into this fair value gap from NFP, non-farm payroll news gap, which shows the unwillingness to continue lower because of the jobs report. Still no fair value gap. Once again, the London session was clean, trending up. Sorry, not London session, Asia session. After that, London was choppy all until 5, stayed in the range, and then we had New York expansion. Yeah, yeah. London session was absolute garbage. I could see it from 2 a.m. probably right here. Yeah, right here to 5. Asia session was nice though. We had that break above. Come on. Up put it back here. Oh, come on. Hmm. I think this is gonna rip night now, but let's see. Yeah. Anyways, if it does go lower, yeah, no, it's gonna get bought up. Fuck. I should have left it at the beginning of over here. Sometimes. Now if we come back down, I want it to go to the second inversion. But I think we might be going higher, yeah. And I like how this fair value gap was respected, but only the wick's doing the damage all the way into this inversion. It's okay. Should have kept it at the first one, my order. I didn't put it there, and then ran away. Straight to the take profit. There you go. There you go. All right, so that trade is over. That was $1,300. A little bit frustrating, but at least I got the direction correct and exactly the entry correct. I just moved it a little bit lower to the volume imbalance. It went a bit higher and then left. Okay, so the first fair value gap is right here. First presented fair value gap. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. If we could get back to this over here. So that first presented fair value gap. And bounce off from there. Oops. This goes back. Yeah, the strength was there. I just couldn't. I just missed my entry by a little bit. Kind of sucks, but that's life. That's yeah. Still looking at this first presented fair value gap. This is gonna rip. It's coming straight over here. Exactly like my pre-market analysis that I said. Uh, let's see if we could come back into this first presented fair value gap. Right here. Now risk is starting to become a little bit less favorable, but I think this scenario could still happen. Let's see what this is, the retracement, fib retracement on this leg would be. If it would be there, yeah, it'd be right around there. And it's going to my target directly, my pre-market analysis target. This would have been a great trade, fantastic trade. Almost 100 points. It would be 100 points until there. Let's just see if we can get back into here, because it would be good for another leg. When you had your Apex accounts, do you operate all at the same time or yeah, all at the same time? They had uh, a a function in their system in Trade where you could all batch them together and operate them at the same time. So I was doing it, all my trades were at the same time. That's straight to the target. This is amazing. Anyways, so if it reaches here, I'm gonna be pretty much out. Let's see. Who are you trading with, Roger? If you're trading futures prop firms. Top step, okay. I see. They have end of day trailing drawdown, end of day drawdown, right? Oh yeah, it's trailing. Okay. Or is it take profit trader? That is end of day. Let me go see. Yeah, it's take profit trend trader that has end of day trailing drawdown. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm happy that I got it right this morning at this when I had my buy here, but the only thing is that I missed it. But that's fine. At least the analysis was right. Seems to be rounding off, losing some steam, so it might not be over. We might have a bounce at the first presented fair value gap. We shall see. There you go. There's a drop. There we go. And if not, well, too bad. We got the direction right. Perfect trade. Perfect take profits. Perfect areas for scaling out. It would be a perfect day. I just wanted to get a better entry, and that got the best of me. Last 15 seconds of this candle, very important. Let's see how it closes. If it closes above the top half of this, okay, so it's closing below the bottom, the half. Should be still fine for the retracement. If not, it hits the take profit, then I'm out for the day. That's it. That's all. Let's see, any other news? Any other fight between Elon Musk and Trump? You know, this new way of filming is not is nice, and there's a fisheye. It's well, it's not really nice, but it's nice the fact that it's not freezing. It's never freezing. Wow, that is crazy. So Elon Musk did a poll yesterday of making a third political party, and 5.1 million people voted. Come on. Come get me. Come on. Come on. Come and get me. No. No. Okay, we're in. Come on. Almost. Almost. Okay, whatever happens today, we will not lose. And I will trail my stop to break even. Maybe it's not the best idea, but if we get lower prices, I'll buy it lower. That's it, that's all. We're Friday, and I think that it went enough down in a very short amount of time. And I think it should go up from here. Hmm, Friday, do we take it? Do we not? Hmm, I'm thinking right now. Opa, let's see. Um, yeah, I think we should. You know what? I'll leave a break even. Let's see. I think that was a good call. Now, make your way back to the top. Hit that sell limit. That's it. That's it. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Mm. One more push up. Let's go. I'll take it at 43 points. Mm. Let's see. Yeah, no. It's gonna take me out. Come on. 20 points. I want to see it rip from here. I really want to see it rip all the way to the highs. I don't want to see it come back down. I want to see it, this candle close green if possible. If this candle closes green, I'm happy. That's bad. It's gonna take these lows. So check this out. If I can, I will get out and reposition lower. Or should I just lower my stop loss and let this trade play out like it should? That's my question. 15 seconds. Okay, come on. Come on. We need to see this flip. If we see this flip and it closes above, then this trade is still interesting. But we have to see it close above. Come on. Come on. Push. Last 15 seconds right here. Very important. A little bit higher. Higher. A little bit higher. You see how he closed right in? At the last seconds, no. Okay, this is it. Okay. Come on. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. Don't do it. Don't go back down. Come on. A little bit higher. Come on. You know what? Just to secure myself, I'm going to put a trailing stop below this low. Right here. Okay? That's going to give me a total of 18 of what? 15 points, which is $400 Canadian, which is good. If this closes green, if this closes green above here, I'm going to trail my stop over here. Like that. If it closes above there, I will trail my stop. It's going to be a live trail. Yikes. You see, this is what I don't like. Okay. I think I'm still going to trail my stop right now over here just to secure some more profits. And if this candle closes green, I might even close it over here. Let's see. Right here, trailing stop. Come on, a little bit higher. And I'm out. Okay. 27 points for today. It's not bad. I didn't want this to get taken this low. Was that 27? Wait, 20, 30. There you go. That's why I didn't want it to get taken. That's why I started trailing. Because look, it's going to take these lows right here, and then it's going to come back up right away. Take these lows. Take these lows. And we're going to rip. Wait, let me just refresh the page because this is lagging. My orders are completed and executed. Okay. And did we take those lows? Yeah, we took those lows right here, and now it should start coming back up. There you go. That's what I said. Now we might even extend to the 70%. But I doubt it. I think it's going to go right back up from here after taking those relative equal lows. You see? Right after taking these two, guess where we're going to come? Right here. Fill these ones. Now look, this is almost a full range candle of the previous one. Let's see how it closes. I think it's going to close above in here. Yeah, right there. That's what I said. Now, next thing we have to keep an eye on is this fair value gap. If we pass it, it's good for the trade. All right, so I made $739 Canadian today. Not bad. That pays for a couple of tapas and cervezas, you know? Let's go. But yeah, we should see this candle if we continue with this trend. We should see this candle break above. Yeah, you see? Continuation. Now what you could do is have another trade actually, where you enter here, right, at the inversion, which I might just do right here. Enter at the inversion. And have it stop below this low. And let's take a little shorter TP on this one. I want to see this get bought back up right now. And actually make its way a little bit higher. And I want to see it close above in this gray area. Yeah. Above, 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 more. No, not good. Up, yes. Stop loss, break even. We're not losing on this one. Come on. Ah, it took me out. It's okay. I'm trading very safe right now. Oops. Okay, what I can see now, okay, is that if we continue going lower, we're going to probably take these lows right here. We're going to take these lows, bounce off the 70 and come up later in the day to get these highs. Come back to the 70. Okay, so you see this? Before taking these lows, this was the breaker, maybe touch this, go below this, yeah, 70. Gap down over here. So we're leaving relative equal highs up here. That's why I moved my stop loss uh, break even very fast, because I knew there was a chance of not breaking this, because over here we lost. But yeah, it's starting to range. But what's interesting is that the bodies are remaining above this inversion. Now it's going below. Okay, so over here. This is the fair value gap from NFP News. You see what I was talking about? It's going to start shorting right here. It's going to break this, come over here to like the top of the buy side. And this is where I would buy it back if ever. Let's see what that trade would be. So buy limit right here. Top of this. Move the stop loss over here. So technically I wouldn't be risking anything if I would do that. I would still be making $140 today. But you know what? Since it was a big move, and I caught just a little part, well, it was a pretty good part of it actually. I caught it from here. Where did I catch it? This is it, yeah. From here to here. So from here to here. Somebody's accumulating over here, so I find that interesting. If we go back here, back here. Well, let's go at the first obvious point. I'm not gonna trade it, but if there was a trade to do, I think that would be my trade right here. I'd let this low get taken. I'd let it to go. I would let it go to the 78% retracement, which is the start of these order blocks that we're forming. So one, two, three. It's right in the middle of the order block. So it's the of let's say a 5-minute order block probably. Yeah, right here. Oops, I just moved this. So a 5-minute order block. Orders right below the consequent encroachment. And let this ride back up all the way to this inversion. So I took these lows. We're still going to continue lower, I think, personally. Because it feels like they're starting to distribute from these longs and this position right here. So people that were on side over here, they're just starting to sell off all their positions. But I think that's going to be it for me today. Uh, but if I would do another trade, this is the trade that I would do. Come get these low-hanging fruit target, relative equal highs over here. Wow, look at that. Yeah, they're distributing right now. This is distribution phase. So basically, what you want to do, okay? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. And you see how the bodies did not. They used the last fair value gap as a reference point, and also used this bullish fair value gap that I left up top over here as an inversion. So with a volume balance paired in it, paired and exactly at the center of that inversion, bullish inversion. So yeah, that would be my play if I would like to see it continue going higher, and it would use this low as a how do you say, if it crosses with bodies, it uses this low as a shifted market structure. Because from here to here, okay, after that to here, to there, to here. So we're still playing within this leg. And I didn't choose this low because this low came after, well, I could choose that low because there was no high that was made. So I'll choose this low instead because it was still within this price move up. Yeah, that's clear distribution, guys. All right, Roger. That's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the session. And yeah, congrats if you took the trade. If not, next one is going to be even better. I'm sure of it. And that's a wrap for Friday. So this is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm out for the day. Ciao, everyone. Ciao, Roger. Thanks for tuning in, and see you Monday. Ciao.